Hey, this is Willard Crafto, and I have a couple of Master VLine padlocks right here. So yeah, here it is. It's very small. It has a key that's included with it. Nice locking mechanism and all that. So I'm going to be going over how they work, how to lock them, and all that. So yeah. Here is the lock itself, and it's focusing on the background, and I don't want it to. There we go. Here's the lock. Comes in kind of a brushed gold color. So to lock it, all you got to do is turn it around and push down, and then take the key out. Now, all these are keyed differently. So I'll set down the keys as soon as I lock them all. There's a number on the top of here just so I know which key goes with which. So this key hold on. This key is keyed differently here than this one. So let's say I tried to put this key in here. I mean, you could, but you could. The key would go in, but you couldn't turn it. However, on here, you can do that, and all you got to do, the key is spring loaded, so what you got to do is just turn it and do that. So yeah, I'll get you a better look at it from right here now. So all you got to do is turn it, take the key out, and then when you're ready, stick the key here back into it. Pow. Okay. So yeah, that is the end of this video, and I will see you all later. Bye. By the way, watch how fast I can do this. Look here. The lock is locked. Watch this. I can do it even faster. How's that for quick lock opening? But you gotta have the right keys.